Question number 37. A nucleus of nuclide X decays. Which series of emissions will produce an isotope of X? Okay, 1 alpha. So it's asking you, see, you have a nucleus X, then some decays are happening over here, and as a result of it, again you should get the same element. Maybe this will have an atomic mass number A1, this will have a mass number A2, but the value of Z should not change. That's what it means. Okay, so therefore, here you see 1 alpha and 2 beta negative. What will happen? If it is 1 alpha, there will be 2 protons. Let me say 2E plus 2E, and then you have 2 neutrons are being emitted. 2 neutrons are being emitted along with it 1 capsule, and then 2 beta. What is beta? Beta is nothing but minus 1E, so this should be minus 2E. See, the total charge becomes 0. So definitely this should be your right answer. But let us verify this one for the rest of them also. 1 alpha and 2 beta positive. What happens over here? Here you will have 2E plus 2E, and then here you have plus 2E over here. Plus 2E over here. So total charge here would be 4 times E. So this is incorrect. And here it is a 2 alpha, which means what? Two protons are being emitted in 1 alpha. So therefore there should be 4 protons over there. There should be 4E. And then here 2 beta negative, which means it should be minus 2E. Net charge here is seen to be plus 2E. And 2 alpha and 2 beta plus. Here definitely this is not possible because it will be 4E plus 2E. This will be 6E over here. All these are incorrect. Only this is the correct.